Hi everyone, Health Therapy by NK right here. Your wellness adventure starts right here. So this drink is for you if you want to alkalinize your system, detox your liver, and improve your gut health. And you don't want to do it rushy. You want to take it gentle. Okay, you don't want to rush the healing. You want it to be something you do consistently without giving up. So we'll be needing the sparkling water. That's my water there. I'll be using 1000 mils, cloves, pineapple, lemon, not lime, lemon. You can use ginger, it's optional. All right, I specifically designed this for some of us that will be like, oh, if I take pineapple alone, I'm going to have hyperacidity. My stomach is going to irritate me. If I take cucumber, I will vomit. How else can I take all of these things and get the nutrients? So I've sliced the cucumber. I will be adding it to the solution, the water, okay? One thing with this kind of system is that what happens is that diffusion takes place. The nutrients, they diffuse, like osmosis is taking place. So you're still going to get all of the nutrients, okay? So it's about to get to the pineapple. We're going to slice the pineapple. The benefit of eating pineapple, having pineapple daily, especially for those of us that we want to work on our uterine womb lining. Maybe you're preparing for IVF, or you just want a healthy, natural method of conception, like you're trying naturally, okay? Yes, pineapple is awesome for you, all right? The cloves too is highly rich in antioxidants. What about cucumber? Cucumber is a powerful hydrating agent. Some of us, our cells are internally dehydrated, like it's shrinking, is begging to be hydrated. So the hydration you get is not just about water, okay? You need these nutrients to deeply, richly hydrate those cells. The egg quality have cells, so they need deep hydration. All right, so this drink, don't joke with it if you're in your 40, 30, 20. Okay, don't joke with this drink. It should be taken on a daily basis, okay? Because it's something you make. You're not going to refrigerate it. You're not putting it in the refrigerator. You're not boiling anything. It's going to be kept at room temperature. It means is that you can take it to your office, all right? So the lemon has gone it now. Now we're going to stir it, and just cover. Allow it to sit for like 2 hours. So it's something you can make, take to your office, you want to drink, and use it as your everyday drink, okay? It's not going to irritate your system. That's one thing with this drink. Your liver is going to be cool with it. That alcoholic or non-alcoholic fatty liver is going to go, all right? So it's awesome for you. Go ahead, like and share this video, and let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment